Well, it's been a pickleball party on court today. Are you ready for this grand rally?
Fire!
दिव्यांशु के पास उस स्पीड अप का जवाब था।
वैसे सुनने में आया है कल आपने डोसा पार्टी की प्लान की है।
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल। इनविटेशन कॉम्स तक सीमित थी, लेकिन अब पूरे दुनिया को जा चुकी है।
1-0.
It's an open invitation, ladies and gentlemen. Suhas's house. You get dosas and some mulga puri. Meanwhile, सिर्फ मुर्गा पुड़ी है कि सांबर भी है, कर्ड भी है, चटनी भी है?
First of all, well done. First of all, well done with Mulga Pudi. Excellent pronunciation. And secondly, I just realized the menu is being decided by Atish.
Great retrieve by Divyanshu. बदला लेना होगा न्यूएल और दिव्यांशु कटारिया को, जो हार मिली पहली जीत क्वांगडोंग और इस पूरी प्रतियोगिता में। लेकिन अभी फिलहाल ये कांटे की टक्कर चल रही है। And this is what you want in the Grand Rally.
Exactly the kind of mistake that he wanted Amol to eke out. Superb reply and great execution.
Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. It's Newtonian physics, ladies and gentlemen. आप जितना तेज मारोगे उतनी तेज ही वापस आएगी।
Guangdong's style of play is such that... Oh, that's a paddle clash, not of opinions.
Let's change.
Yeah, network error there between Guangdong and Amol. SIM card बदलने की ज़रूरत। ओहो। And that's why she's happy. Megan Fudge, she knows the importance of this match. She's on court now. Alison Harris has come to join Amol.
Amol trying his best to handle with care.
4-2.
First time the pickup was fine from Fudge. This time didn't get the elevation.
3-4.
जी अगर ये क्रिकेट होता तो वेल डिफेंडेड कहते उस यॉर्कर को,
3-4.
लेकिन क्योंकि ये पिकल बॉल है हम कहेंगे वेल डन Amol. She's just not getting those touches right today, Alison Harris. Acknowledging her mistake.
5-3.
Terrific, Ernie. And he's claiming the point as well.
It may have been terrific, but it's been given in. Did it kiss the line? Ooh. Kinda did. Eventually, it's been given the other way.
6-3.
Should he have waited for the ball to bounce? What we do know is that the Hyderabad Royals have made a U-turn in fortunes. Megan Fudge being the inspirational figure, now a 4-point lead in their name.
7-3.
पहले दो मैच हारने के बाद क्या कमबैक किया है।
Snehal and Fudge want to repeat their performance. Great speed up. That will give her some confidence. Something that Alison Harris is searching for today.
4-7.
There, Snehal put some Mulga Puri in that forehand.
Indeed. Just like every
8-4.
pickleball deserves a paddle, every dosa deserves Mulga Puri. A great execution there. Did well to reach it, but not this time around. Lets it go. Snehal has only herself to blame.
5-8.
Yeah, it was a tough shot. He was all over the place. Found in no woman's land there. Good defense by Snehal. Kept that point alive. Alive and kicking. Megan Fudge with the clincher.
Nine, 5.
Double-handed both the times. 3 times in a row. Successfully pushing Fudge and Snehal back to the baseline. Now they advance. Terrific lob.
Player change.
Fudge had it under control all the time. Pearl Sadiwala realizing it a little late. Now the switch.
A 5-star rally to get a 5-point lead.
Bottle.
Confusion, but no solution. For Pearl and Harris.
10-5.
And now it's time for the switch. Ben Newell and Snehal up against Pearl and Kwang Dong.
6-10.
A great third shot.
Point.
Pearl under pressure.
Yeah, you need a Kevlar vest to protect yourself from that kind of shot. It raced towards her.
6.
That one was wide indeed. That one was wide. The point had already been accumulated. Still, Kwang Dong was able to get it over the net.
7-11.
Keeping the dosa analogies alive, there was enough gunpowder in that serve.
8-11.
A crisp hit would do.
Player change.
स्विच का समय फिर से
8.
अब मेंस डबल्स वापस आ गए हैं क्योंकि 20 पॉइंट पूरे हो चुके हैं। तो अगले 5 पॉइंट न्यूएल और दिव्यांशु एक छोर पर, अमोल क्वांग डोंग दूसरी ओर। Around the world! Full 360 by Ben Newell. पिछले मैच में एक दिया, इस बार भी मजा आ गया भाई।
Sometimes you're ambidextrous this way as well. Mr. 360 of the pickleball court.
निराश होंगे अपने आप से दिव्यांशु। एक औपचारिक शॉट को मिस किया। 2 पॉइंट की बढ़त है बस। तो जो 5 पॉइंट का फासला था उसको कम कर दिया है इस मेंस डबल्स की जोड़ी ने।
Patience and perseverance in that dinking once again. More often than not, it's an innocuous ball that gets the point. The speed up works. Kwang Dong, not just with the speed up, but also the anticipation that the ball will fly over.
11-12.
This has been a brilliant showing by these two today. They've been on song, Amol and Kwang Dong. सकते आप, बिल्कुल नजर नहीं हटा सकते इस मुकाबले से।
Guangdong cannot believe it. After all these hard shots, a simple one.
Twelve, 13.
A great return, inside out, never easy. And a reset shot as well for an inside out shot.
Point. Receive.
बस अपना संतुलन बरकरार रखना है। Megan Fudge has proven over the course of the last 2 days why she's the
14,
highest
12.
paid female player here in the league. Mentality monster, she's been inspirational. That's what she must be saying to her teammates as well. Just out.
Point.
Amol watched it sail over.
Thirteen, 14.
Great decision not to have hit that.
Top of the paddle, इसलिए संपर्क सही नहीं था. Sometimes those shots can be even trickier because you don't know the trajectory of the ball.
Well, fortune
15,
favors the
13.
brave. They accumulate another Hyderabad Royals. And another.
Yeah, bad bounce there. Just kept low. और ये
16, 13.
चिंता होती है कभी कभार.
Side out. Point. Player
कहीं ना
change.
कहीं ये जो दिल्ली और मुंबई का डिबेट है ना,
14.
उसका की क्या पता असर पड़ रहा है यहाँ पर.
Across sports, across surfaces.
14, 16.
Across citizens also. Well watched. Well watched by
Point.
Megan Fudge initially, but couldn't follow up. But eventually, sports unites us all.
15,
क्या
16.
दिल्ली, क्या मुंबई. Pickleball is the way.
16 all.
तो चाहेंगे कि जीत हासिल कर ले. टॉप एज.
Point.
कीपर होते तो कॉट बिहाइंड.
Seventeen, 16.
Neck in neck, 10 bar. अच्छा संभाला स्पीड को वहां पर. Successfully pushing the opponents back to the baseline, and it works for Fudge.
Point.
2-point lead for Hyderabad Royals.
For a second there, it felt like it might be going out.
18, 16.
Just landed before the line.
Point.
He did a better return there, and Snehal knows Fudge actually hit that lock to allow more time.
There was quite a bit of time for Snehal. I think she was caught in two minds. इस तरीके से खेले, एक ही पल मिलता है, एक ही क्षण मिलता है एक निर्णय लेने का.
17,
डिफेंस से खेलों
18.
की अटैक असमंजस में पड़ रही थी.
Side out. Point.
When an immovable object meets an irresistible force, ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ यहाँ पर.
Atish for the second time is making me realize मुझे कॉमर्स नहीं लेना चाहिए था.
17.
what else is in syllabus? Physics की खत्म हो गई है?
मैंने भी ह्यूमैनिटीज ही पढ़ी थी, पर यहाँ पर तो हालात बदल रहे हैं, जज्बात बदल रहे हैं हैदराबाद रॉयल्स.
Time out.
They were staring down the barrel of a defeat, and now they could clinch victory. A timeout taken by the Smashers who are under the cosh.
धड़कने बढ़ा देने वाला टाइम आउट है ये. इस प्रकार से स्नेहल ने अपने आप को इंप्रूव किया मिड रैली. एंड ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि अगर वो लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द कोर्ट आ जाएं तो फिर उन्हें बेहतर कंट्रोल मिलता है.
याद कीजिए जब विमेंस डबल्स खेलती हैं तब राइट साइड पे होती हैं मेगन फज के साथ, बट क्योंकि बेन न्यूएल एक लेफ्टी हैं उनको अपनी कोर्ट पोजीशन बदलनी पड़ती है, बट शी इज एक्सेल. मैच पॉइंट. Hyderabad doesn't hide under pressure. They excel under it.